Your engine misfires, shakes, or cranks but won't start? A dirty camshaft position sensor is a common hidden cause. Clean it fast and avoid expensive towing. This is why you need a cam sensor check. Dirty pins can kill your timing signal. Symptoms: rough running, misfires, stalling, no start, limp mode, poor acceleration. Common codes: P0340, circuit malfunction; P0341, range, performance. Scan your car first. CMP syncs camshaft with crankshaft for perfect timing. Dirt and oil on the connector, or corrosion on the pins, blocks the signal. The ECU loses the cam signal, and misfires follow. Cleaning fixes many misfire and no-start issues. Clean it first, replace only if it still fails. Use electrical contact cleaner or isopropyl alcohol only. Disconnect the battery, then locate the CMP on the cylinder head or on the timing cover near the cam pulley. Unplug the electrical connector. Remove the mounting bolt. Keep parts organized. Use electrical contact cleaner or 90% plus isopropyl alcohol. Spray the pins and socket thoroughly. Gently wipe with a lint-free swab and a soft brush if needed. Let it air dry for 5 to 10 minutes. Do not force dry with heat. Clean the sensor exterior gently, no harsh sprays inside. Reinstall the sensor and reconnect the plug. Torque the bolt to spec. Reconnect the battery, then start the engine. You may need a few drive cycles for the ECU to relearn. Never force or bend the sensor or its pins. If no improvement or codes return, replace the CMP. It's inexpensive and commonly simple on Toyotas. Clean contacts, clear signal, smooth idle. Codes gone, power restored. Like if this helped, subscribe to AutoClinic for more sensor fixes. Comment your car model. What code did you get? Next, knock sensor.